She looks 10 years younger with this simple ingredient. Here we explain. We present some tricks to look younger, and it is best that you only need to have on hand a single ingredient. Some people do their best to look good always, but when they start to sprout wrinkles over time, and the skin becomes flabby they find the task a little more difficult. Particularly, wrinkles appear on the face, neck, back of the hands and forearms. These occur as part of the natural aging process when the collagen and elastin present in connective tissue of the skin become weak and break down, or changes in fibroblasts that produce both substances. Premature or excessive wrinkles can be caused by factors such as excessive exposure to sunlight or harsh environments, smoking, use of certain medications, stress, sudden weight loss, vitamin E and genetic predisposition. Although there are many products and beauty creams available in the market to treat aging skin, home remedies are a good choice. Not only they are effective but cheaper, and almost always safe without secondary effects. It is said that celebrities like Jennifer Aniston used Vaseline to prevent and get rid of facial wrinkles and eye. But is it true? Then our investigation. How can prevent wrinkles? Vaseline: apply a layer of Vaseline on the face, under the eyes and lips to prevent premature wrinkles. Because this fatty substance moisturizes the skin, it prevents the detestable grooves that cause the years on the skin, or external aggression, because it creates a protective layer that traps moisture preventing it lost. It also keeps well hydrated and elastic skin. Vaseline not only has anti-aging properties, ensures that it is able to fill wrinkles, so it was too late to prevent. Apply the product on your face for deletion. How to apply Vaseline on the face: by applying Vaseline on the face every night. Its benefits against aging is used because the skin stays hydrated. In the morning, you will notice the softness of the skin of his face, which look younger. Important: wash your face every night before using Vaseline, and apply it when your face is still wet. Wrinkles under the eyes can be erased if you are careful. For this problem you can apply Vaseline and reduce their appearance. Incidentally, will soften the contour, clean the area before applying the product and remove any makeup. The best time to apply Vaseline is before going to bed as a night treatment. For all this, that Vaseline is considered one of the basic elements of beauty that every woman should have in your home or purse. It has a myriad of uses, and is that it is cheaper than any cream or beauty product sold in stores.